Hi, welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn how to change a car color in Photoshop. Let's start. Select this car image. Now change this red color to customize color. Go to layer, Ctrl plus J, copy one layer, go to adjustment layer, hue and saturation. See the car color is changing, but little update and logo are both are same changing. Okay, again Ctrl plus J, the hue and saturation, copy one copy. Now change the another one color. You can change any color you want. Select this one, then go to pen tool, select the one back part, go to selection, pen tool to easy way to access for selection areas. And you select the copy of hue and saturation adjustment layer. This is the copy adjustment layer. Okay, now it will adjust. Control plus move. You can do control, can move to adjust. Okay, control plus enter the selection. Now I need to delete otherwise. Now go to select inverse, select the invoice. I need select on both only. Go to brush tool, fill color white, just one dot, and again delete. See selection area only here. I need two color options, that's why I am using this method. Go to gradient. I need to gradient of two colors. Select with drag. See the gradient, the color variation. Go to brush tool, select copy adjustment layer. This is, you need to interchange the color. This is dark, this is light. Select, just click, show in the original logo. Go to, you have a two adjustment layer, copy layers back side, only change the back portion only. This is the adjustment layer, copy adjustment layer. You can set the color. Okay, now finish. This is the adjustment layer, this is front portion or entire area. You can to adjust the color. Only first front portion you want, which color you want, you can to adjust. also change, don't worry, only set the front portion. This is fine, this is also fine. See that change the paint color. You have both options, front or back, you can to change. This is the front portions, change the both color of changing, but main frame is front. And go to second copy layer, you can to change only back portion, only change. You select the front portion, adjustment layer, you can to select the back portion, the copy adjustment layer. Only the copy adjustment layer, you can to change color, only showing the back side only, and select the both are same color. Now go to adjustment layer, front portion. This is the entire color, this is saturation, can to increase the saturation, can to change the color, entire color of change for the one color. This is the front side, I need the another one color. Okay, this is fine. Go to back side adjustment layer, you can to change the another one. See, only change back side only. See, this is the color changing method, and both color are combination. This is the gradient, you can use the gradient. See the sky little different, just select the brush tool. Interchange the color previous showing, just go to interchange. Both are same color, select the adjustment layer, copy adjustment layer, you can work. Then this is adjustment saturation, you can make gray, you can to increase the saturation, bright color. See the windshield glass, you can to change, just go to brush tool, little select the color, dark color only, just select. Bow is showing, interchange the color, yellow is showing, I need to blue. Okay, select, change the color for entire, both color of changing or color adjustment layer, both are changing. This is change your car color in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.